Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create custom stickers from a snap on Snapchat. It's quick and super fun, so let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app and here take a photo. For reference, I just took a snap of my keyboard. This can be a selfie, your pet, or anything you want to turn into a sticker. After taking your snap, tap on the scissors icon from the right side tools menu. Now use your finger to trace around the object or person you want to turn into a sticker. Snapchat will automatically cut it out. Now tap Done. To use your new sticker in any future snap, just tap the sticker icon, go to the Scissors tab, and drag your custom sticker onto your snap, like this. And that's how you create and reuse your own stickers on Snapchat. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment for more Snapchat tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.